Have you ever considered how your morning mindset could shape your financial destiny? How could an attitude of gratitude transform your monetary prospects? Imagine infusing your mornings with a sense of gratitude, a powerful tool in attracting financial abundance. The moment you open your eyes, you lay the groundwork for the day. By setting a positive tone, you create a ripple effect that influences your actions, decisions, and inevitably, your financial outcomes. This isn't just about wishful thinking, it's about harnessing the law of attraction. Like attracts like. A mind brimming with gratitude and positivity naturally draws wealth, prosperity, and abundance. With gratitude, you send a message to the universe that you are ready to receive, to grow, to prosper. In the journey towards financial freedom, remember that your mindset is your greatest asset. You may wonder, is there any real correlation between gratitude and financial success? Well, that's exactly what we're here to explore. Numerous scientific studies have shown that gratitude is directly linked to improved mental health and overall success. It's not just about saying thank you, it's about truly feeling and embracing a sense of appreciation, which in turn fosters a positive mindset. There's a fascinating study by Dr. Robert Emmons, a leading gratitude researcher, who found that people who practice gratitude consistently report a host of benefits, including stronger immune systems and lower blood pressure, not to mention higher levels of positive emotions, more joy, optimism, and happiness. Now let's talk about the direct correlation between gratitude and wealth. We've all heard amazing success stories of individuals who've used the power of gratitude to attract abundance. These individuals have cultivated a positive money mindset, viewing financial hurdles not as obstacles, but as opportunities for growth. This positive mindset, fueled by gratitude, not only helps them overcome financial challenges, but also attracts wealth and opportunities. It's as if they're sending out a prosperity signal to the universe, and the universe responds in kind. As science and success stories suggest, gratitude isn't just a feel-good practice, it's a wealth attraction magnet. So, how can you start your day with gratitude for money abundance? Here's a simple yet powerful routine. Firstly, as you wake up, take a moment to express genuine thankfulness for the new day. This sets the tone for a day filled with positivity and abundance. Remember, gratitude is the seed that sprouts the garden of prosperity. Next, reach out for your gratitude journal. If you don't have one, now is the perfect time to start. Each morning, jot down 3 things you are grateful for. They don't have to be monumental. Simple things like a peaceful night's sleep, a warm cup of tea, or the sound of chirping birds can work wonders. This practice helps you focus on the abundance already present in your life, which in turn attracts more of it. Now, move on to affirmations. These are powerful declarations that shape your mindset and reality. Repeat to yourself, I am open to financial abundance. I am grateful for the wealth flowing into my life, or any other affirmation that resonates with you. The key here is to truly believe what you're affirming. Then, take a few moments for visualization. Imagine your life filled with the financial abundance you desire. See yourself living that life. Feel the emotions that come with it. This process helps your subconscious mind align with your conscious desires, making them more likely to manifest. Lastly, spend a few minutes in quiet reflection or meditation. This allows you to connect deeply with yourself and the universe, strengthening your belief in the process of manifestation. Remember, consistency is key. This routine might seem simple, but its effects can be profound when practiced daily. Also, adapt this routine to best suit your needs. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to cultivating gratitude. With this practice, each morning becomes a launchpad for financial prosperity. Ready to transform your financial future? It starts with a single step. Imagine every morning you wake up filled with a sense of gratitude, a positive energy that radiates throughout your day, attracting abundance at every corner. It's not just a daydream, but a reality you can achieve by harnessing the power of a gratitude-focused mindset. When you commit to this practice, you're not just making a change, you're inviting a transformation that allows you to tap into your hidden potential, to unlock doors to opportunities you've only dreamt of, and to bring forth the prosperity that you truly deserve. Remember, it's not just about the destination, but the journey. A journey that is filled with growth, self-discovery, and an abundance of wealth in all aspects of your life. This isn't just about financial wealth, but a wealth of happiness, joy, and fulfillment. So, are you ready to embark on this journey with us? To transform your mindset, to tap into your potential, and to attract the financial abundance you've always desired? It's time to put these practices into action, to make the leap, and to join us on this exciting journey towards financial freedom. Subscribe to our channel for more insights on financial abundance and gratitude. Together, let's unlock the door to limitless prosperity.